have the M4 iPad Pro, and I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps on your iPad. So this is basically going to delete the app in its entirety. So what you want to do is simply find the app you want to uninstall. So for instance, if I want to uninstall this particular app, all I need to do is press and hold the app icon, and that's going to bring this pop-up menu, and I'll tap on remove app. It's gonna tell me, do I want to remove Firefox? Removing from home screen will keep the app in the app library. So we're not removing from home screen, we are completely uninstalling. So tap on delete app. So it says deleting this app will also delete its data, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I'll confirm by tapping on delete once again, and that's going to completely delete that app and all its app data. And that's basically how to uninstall or delete apps on the M4 iPad Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.